Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, with you, Ashraf Is-Suwaifi, on Educational Fahimni on YouTube. Okay, we will talk about some letters in this video. Please try to pronounce after me. Try to write after me. Okay. First of all, we will talk about letters that don't connect to what follows them. Letters that don't connect to what follows them. زي ألف اللي هي A ودال and دال اللي هي دا and ذال اللي هي ذا and را اللي هي را and زين اللي هي ذا and واو اللي هي وا. But do connect to what precedes them. But do connect to what precedes them. Okay, look at the video and the letters on it. We can notice that attaches to what precedes it. Attaches to what precedes it. For example, A, letter Alif, A, B, A. We notice B come before A and attach it to it. I can say B-A, B-A. Look at S-A, S-A. Come before A, S. I can pronounce S-A, S-A. Okay. Next, D. Letter Dal, D. I can say Ma, D. We notice that Ma, letter Mim, Ma, comes before Dal, Luada. I can pronounce Ma, D. Ma, D. Next, Ha, D. Ha, D. Letter Ha, Ha. Letter Ha, Ha, D. We notice that we use letter Ha before letter D. اللي هو الدال. That is دال. I can pronounce it D. Ha, D. After that, letter Zal, I can pronounce it the. For example, kaza. We can notice that we use ka and come before the. I can pronounce it kaza. Another example, هذا. We notice that we use ha before the and I can pronounce it هذا. This attaches to what precedes it. But on the other hand, what follows it? A, letter Alif, I can pronounce it A. For example, A, B. Or A, Se. We notice that A, B is not connected. A is separated to B. A, B, A, Se is not connected. Then letter Dal pronounce da. letter دال pronounce ده. For example, دام 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 is not connected. داح داح is not connected. Pronounce well and write these letters very well. Letter ذال I can pronounce it ذا. Letter ذال I can pronounce it ذا. For example, ذاك ذاك is not connected because this letter came after ذا. ذاك. Another one, ذاها ذاها is not connected. We learned that and there are some letters in Arabic: a, da, the, ra, the, wa. There are letters attached to what precedes it, and there are some is not connected if they come after it or after them. But if there are letters before them, we learned how to pronounce and write them. And in this case are connected. But if the letters or if some letters come after these letters we learn, they are not connected, and you will learn how to pronounce them and write them. Okay, and we will complete the letters ra, letter ra, and the letter the, and the letter waw, away. First, we learn about attaches to what precedes it. Attaches to what precedes it. If the letter come before or comes before ra, I can pronounce sa ra, sa ra. Another example, qa ra, qa ra. Repeat after me: sa ra, qa ra. Okay. Letter zail or zain, I can pronounce it if the letters come before them: a, za, a, za. Another one, fa, za, fa, za. Letter waw, I can pronounce it wa. I can pronounce it wa. For example, ha, wa, ha, wa, la, wa, la, wa. On the other hand, we will talk about what letters follow them. If there are letters followed them, is not connected in writing. For example, ra, ra, sa, ra, sa, ra, ka, ra, ka. Letter zay, za'a, za'a, and za, fa, za, fa. Letter waw, I can pronounce it wa. For example, wa, ha is not connected in writing, and I can pronounce it wa, ha. Or and another example, wa, la is not connected in writing, and I can pronounce wa, la. At the end of the video, I thank you so much for listening to me, and we will do or make many videos on this channel Okay? We will learn much. Follow us, and I hope you to learn more and more with you أشرف السويفي on فهمني channel on YouTube. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وكده انتهينا من الفيديو بتاعنا، وكان معاكم أشرف السويفي على قناة فهمني التعليمية، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.